Welcome to grade 4. Today, let's revise whatever we have learned in our previous grade for place values. What are numbers? Numbers are everywhere. A number is a mathematical object to count, measure, and label. We have numbers in our time, calendar, date. We have numbers in our bills, grocery bills. We measure things, we weigh things. Yes, numbers are everywhere. Do you think is there any activity where we don't need math or we don't need numbers? Think about it. Let's get started. What is place value? Place value is the value of digits in different places of a number. Place value is bifurcated in two things, place and value. Place denotes the location of a digit in a numeral. Where does the digit live? And value, the value of a digit in a numeral. How much is the digit worth? A number can be shown on blocks as follows. Let's take a number 1111. Let's see how are we going to represent this number using blocks. So here we have one block in ones place, a series of 10 blocks. So 110 in tens place, 100 and 1000. So the number is 1111. We can also represent numbers on abacus. Let's take an example with another number which is 3057. How are we going to represent the number on abacus? Let's see. So here we have beads on abacus and we are supposed to count the beads and see the number. So here you have 3 beads in thousands place, 0 beads in hundreds place, 5 beads in tens place and 7 beads in ones place. So the number is 3057. Number can be written in 3 different ways. Let's see how can we write the same number in 3 different ways. The first form is standard form, next is word form, and the third is expanded form. So, what do you mean by standard form? Let's see with an example. So 3189, if we write using the digits, it is the standard form. The word form is how we represent the number in words. So 3189. Here we have written the same number in word form. Let's see how are we going to write the expanded form for this number. So it is 3000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 9. Writing place value on the number helps us read the number very easily, and also it helps us in writing the number in the word form and in expanded form. Now let's see what do you mean by standard form. Standard form. The standard form of a number is a way of writing the number by showing the value of each digit. For example, 3245. So we write the number in proper place with using the place value and thus represent the number in the standard form. So here 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place and 3 in thousands. Let's see what do you mean by word form. The word form is a way in which we write the numbers only in word and not in numbers. For example, the same number, if we are supposed to write in word form, we will write 3245. Again, writing place values on the number always help. So don't forget to write the place values. Expanded form. The way in which a number is written to show the sum of the values of its digit. So for example, 3245. Once we have written with the place values, we will write the expanded form. What is there in thousands place? So it is 3. So 3 thousands. 2 in hundreds place, so plus 200. 4 in tens place, so 4 tens is 40, and 5 in one place, which is plus 5 1. So 3000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5 is the expanded form. Let us read and recognize the place value of the digits. So here I have the number and I have written the place values on the number. So I have 7 in ones place, 8 in tens, 9 in hundreds and 4 in thousands. So we have 7 ones, 8 tens which is 80, 9 hundreds which is 900 and 4 thousands which is 4000. So this helps me write the expanded form, which is 4000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 7. And the word form for the same is 4987. So now did you understand? Writing place value always help. Let us read another number on abacus. So here is the abacus. Let's count the beads on the abacus. So here I have 3 beads in ones place, 1 bead in tens place, 4 beads in hundreds place, and 2 beads in thousands place. So my standard form is ready. My standard form is 2413. Now let's see the expanded form. So I have 2 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds, 1 in tens and 3 in ones. So 2000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 3. Now let's see the word form. 2413. Place value and face value. What do you mean by that? Yes, the place value of a digit depends on its place in the number. The face value is the value of the digit as we see it. Let's see how. The face value of the digit is the digit itself. Face value of the digit is unchangeable and definite, but place value changes according to the digit's place. So place value of a digit is equal to digit into its position of the digit. Let's see how. For example, the place value of 7 in 3765 is 7 into 100 because 7 is in hundreds place. So it is 700. So writing place value always help. When you write the place value, you know that the 7 is in hundreds place and then you can easily identify the place value. The place value of 9 in 9210 is 9 thousands as 9 is in thousands place. And what is the face value of 9? The face value is 9 itself. Place value of 4 in 5642 is 4 tenths, which is 40. Isn't it easy? Counting numbers. All the natural numbers are called counting numbers. These numbers are always positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The counting numbers which can be counted are infinite and are crucial part of number system. You can count the numbers in different ways. For example, counting by twos. So, here we count in twos. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Counting by threes. So, 3, 6, 9. We add 3. So, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15, and so on. Counting by fives. 5, 10, 15. We are adding 5. So 20, 25, 30, and so on. Both the even and odd numbers are included in counting numbers. For example, even number 6 is an even number and 9 is an odd number. Let us take an example. Count in twos and write the next three numbers. So what do you mean by counting twos? Skip counting by 2 is a process of adding 2 each time you go up a number. The word skip refers to the fact that you are missing some numbers out in the normal sequence. When we count normally, you go up in units of 1 like 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you skip count by 2, you go up in units of 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Let's see the first example. So the first number is 3218. So we are supposed to count in twos, which means we are supposed to go up by 2. So the next number will be 3220. The next plus 2, which is 3222. And the next 3224. Isn't it easy? Yes, let's take another example. The number is 6713. We are supposed to count in twos. So add 2 to the number. So the next number will be 6715 plus 2, 6717 plus 2, 6719. I hope you are enjoying it. Greatest and smallest numbers. The greatest one-digit number is 9. The smallest one-digit number is 1. The greatest two-digit number is 99 and the smallest two-digit is 10. Greatest three-digit number is 999 and the smallest three-digit number is 100. Similarly, greatest four-digit number is 9999 and the smallest four-digit number is 1000. The greatest five-digit number is 99,999 and the smallest five-digit number is 10,000. Absolutely correct. Formation of greatest and smallest number. How do we form the greatest and the smallest number? Let's see. The greatest number is formed by arranging the digits in descending order and the smallest number by arranging them in ascending order. The position of the digit at the extreme left of a number increases its place value. So, the greatest digit should be placed at the extreme left side of the number to enhance its value. Let's take few examples for forming the greatest and the smallest number. So the first example here, we have four digits 6, 1, 5, 0 and we are supposed to first form a smallest number. So let's start with the smallest digit first. The smallest digit in this example is 0. But can I start the 4-digit number with 0? No. That will then become a 3-digit number. So let's take the next smallest number, which is 1. So 1, 0, 5, 6. So the smallest number is 1056. Now let's proceed with the greatest number, for which we'll see the greatest digit first, which is 6. Then comes 5 and then comes 1 and 0. So the greatest number is 6510. Let's proceed with the next example. Here you have 4 digits, 8, 0, 3, 6. Like the previous example, we can't start the smallest number with 0. So we'll go to the next smallest number, which is 3 over here. So 3, 0, 6, 8, which is 3068. Let's form the greatest number, which is 8, 6, 3, 0. So 8630. How to learn and understand comparison of numbers, for which I have 2 rules, which will make comparison of numbers really very easy. Let's see those 2 rules. Rule number 1. We know that a number with more digits is always greater than the number with less number of digits. For example, 72 is less than 729. So 72 is a 2-digit number and 729 is a 3-digit number. So a 2-digit number is always smaller than the 3-digit number. Let's proceed with rule number 2. When the two numbers have the same number of digits, we start comparing the digits from the leftmost place until we come across unequal digits. For example, I have 621 and 512. Here, both are 3-digit number. So let's start comparing the digits from the left-hand side. So in the first number, towards the left-hand side, I have 6. And in the second number, towards the left-hand side, I have 5. So 6 is more than 5. So, but obviously, 621 is more than 512. Let us take some examples and see how to compare numbers. The first one, compare the numbers and fill in the boxes with the correct sign. So we are supposed to compare two numbers. The first number is 7894 and 3841. Both are 4-digit numbers. So let's start comparing the digits from the left-hand side. So in the first number, the leftmost digit is 7, while in the next number, the leftmost digit is 3. So 7 is more than 3, which means 7894 is more than 3841. Let's take one more example so that we understand it clearly. The first number is 8907 and we are supposed to compare it with 6079. Again, both are 4-digit numbers. So let's start comparing the digits. We have 8 in thousands place and 6 in thousands place in another number. So 8 is more than 6. So 8907 is more than 6079. Let us proceed. Let's arrange the following numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? In increasing order from small to big. So we have 5 numbers over here. 1006, 5,218, 2,167, 690, 3,089. So for arranging it in an increasing or ascending order, let's take the smallest digit first, smallest number first, which is 6,090, then 1,006, then 2,167. Next is 3,089, and then we have 5,218. Isn't it simple? I have a trick over here. Always write place values on numbers so that our calculation, our answers are always correct. Let's end this session here. Let's end with a beautiful thought by Paul Halmes. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So, keep practicing and keep working hard. Bye. Have a great day.